Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get presets into Lightroom, formerly known as Lightroom Cloud. This is on the Adobe Creative Cloud plan. So the first thing you need to do is open up Lightroom, click an image, and then come up here to your presets panel. It's like two little circles interlocking. Click on this one, and this will open up your presets. You can click on yours to see any presets you've already loaded in. Click the little plus icon. Next to this, you have options. Click on that and choose Import Presets. This is where you're going to need to locate the downloaded preset files on your computer. They need to stay zipped, compressed. When you download, they'll have a little zip icon. If you're using Mac, it might use Archive utility to automatically unzip, but you don't want to do that, so ignore that and go straight for the zipped up file. Lightroom reads zip files. You may have downloaded just one preset pack, you might have more than one. I'm going to download the Wild Spirit and load in the Wild Spirit presets. With Wild Spirit, our Wild Spirit selection, you get Collection 1, which is our instant curated presets. These are all hover and click. Or you get collection number 2 as well. These are our Pro, the Unleash Pro presets, where you go down in workflow order to build your edit. I would suggest importing one preset pack at a time. So select one, hit import, and you see it says loading up the presets here. It's just loading them in, and they're in. If you can't see the actual drop down of the presets, you just need to click this little down arrow and they will be there. You'll see your presets in a grid like this. For our presets at LSP Actions, I recommend not having it on grid view. And I'll tell you why. It's because a lot of our presets are designed to be viewed in list mode. So many of them don't do anything. You have presets that are actually tips, spaces, and lines. So I highly recommend, rather than having it in grid view like this, that you come up to the three little dots and you hit list. And you're going to see the presets in a beautiful list exactly as they're supposed to be viewed. We're looking right now at the LSP Wild Spirit curated instant. If you have more than one preset pack, this is the time to click the little lines again and hit import presets again. And do this as many times as you need for all preset packs you've downloaded. It might be 1, it might be 2, it might be 7. So now I'm going to get Wild Spirit Pack 2, which is the Unleashed Pro. You can scroll through the presets and come down to the second collection and open it. You can also close preset folders down and only open them when you're using them. It's great. So we're in the Unleash Pro now. The Unleash Pro collection is in sections. You have camera fix, balance. The idea is to work through these in workflow order, hovering and choosing the presets you need. We have the wild bases. And you can see here, rather than clicking a preset every time to apply it to your image, which can take a few seconds each time, make your edit longer, Lightroom allows you to just hover over and you can see this effect on your image. And you can decide which one you'd like to click. Once you've clicked a preset, you get an amount slider. You can turn this up and you can turn this down. So you can really customize every click to suit your image. And you can just use your mouse wheel, or you can hold on to the scroller here. The Wild Spirit Pro collection is designed in workflow order, and you can choose as many or as little presets to apply as you go down. This beautiful image here on my screen was shot by Ivor, Wellbelove. In the texture presets now. Really good fun, so you can just come through these. You have colour mixes. I think golden hour for this one's really nice, and again you can slide these up and down. These presets stack, so every preset you apply will stack on to the previous one. We're now on our Mask Infinity section. This is where it applies masks to your image. Using Lightroom Intelligent Subject and Background Masking to really create tailored masks in a click, tailored sections of your image. This will edit. So you can see here, we have a sun left behind subject. You can watch the complete tutorials to see how these work. I'm just going through very, very quickly to show you very quickly how they work. So that's how you load our presets into Adobe Lightroom Cloud. You can watch the other tutorials to see how to load these into ACR, into Lightroom Classic, which you'll find most of our tutorials are in Lightroom Classic, Lightroom Mobile as well. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this has helped. Any questions, you can comment on the video. Send us a message if you're having any troubles at all getting presets in. When you download our Wild Spirit presets or any of our preset packs at lsp-actions.com, you also get complete PDF guides that you can refer to anytime when editing to get quick tips, results and fixes. I hope this helps. I hope you love using the presets. Happy editing. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.